Okay, and welcome everybody. In this session, we are going to download Oracle 11G Express Edition, also known as XE. So, as you see, I'm at oracle.com at the home page. So, this is where you want to go, oracle.com. And if you do not have an account, you need to sign up for one. It's free, okay? As you see, mine is right there, okay? So I probably won't have, I'm already signed in, actually. So it'll ask you to sign in before you download something a good bit. But I'm already signed in, so it's probably not going to ask me that. So we go to menu, we go to trials and downloads, okay? Go to database and go to Oracle database. Okay, and what you're going to see is this, same screen. You're going to see 12C release, that's the latest. It works different than 11G. Now, we do not want 11G release 2. You do not want to pick that, okay? And many of these, like 12C and 11G, some of them you have to pay for, okay? Different editions. We want this Express edition. It is free. Now, this is the one we want to click on for downloading, okay? Unless you got Linux, you might, but this is the main one. Just click on this and accept the agreement. Now, as you see, we got LG Release 2 for Windows x64 and Windows x32. Depends on what operating system you have your processor, whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit. That's the one you want to click. Mine's a 64-bit. We're going to click on that, okay? And at the bottom of my screen, you probably don't see it. I'm not sure, but it says if I want to open or save it, it's a zip file. So I'm going to open. And it should not take no more than a good minute and a half. Sometimes it can take maybe 3 minutes, but not long, okay? So let's just hold on for a minute, okay? Okay, now the zip file is almost finished downloading, and it will pop up in any few seconds now, and there it is. It says disk 1. We want to click on that, okay? And on setup, click on setup. Okay. Now let's see. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. And it says, what do I want to do? Do I want to let this app make changes? And I say, yes, I do. Okay. And here we go. It's preparing to install. And it really doesn't take too long to install. Just depends. Sometimes it can be 5 minutes. Sometimes it might take anywhere 6 to 7 minutes, but not long. Okay, and here we go. We got the wizard here, and it says we click next. We have to accept the license agreement, hit next, and this is what we are wanting to download, of course. And your destination folder by default is your C drive, Oracle XE. If you want it on another drive that you have, you hit the browse button and set it to that. Okay, so hit next, hit yes. Now, default system name is sys and system, okay? So that's always your default names. So remember that, write it down, and write your password down. Okay, so enter a password. I'm going to enter mine now. Now you do not want to forget this password. Okay, so be organized. Okay, hit install. And it is now installing everything that was downloaded. Okay, so that'll take just a few minutes. Alrighty. Okay, and as you see, we are almost there. It's configuring the database, so keep hanging on. We're almost there. Okay, and configuring the database, it took a little while, but it is finished. So we hit finish, and that is it. You have Express Edition XE installed on your machine. Okay, now let's go to the next lesson.